Good morning! We are early in the morning, jogging and exercise. Hello mga mamshi. Let's go out the house and make up. Okay, let's go. We're going to exercise with my kids, you know. Okay, see you later at the P Park.
A few moments later.
Iko video. Itik shot. Here's the kuya. Nag-ML pa more at P Park. Ano? ML Yapon. Here's the view of the P Park in the morning. Yan. Ganda ng view, guys. Early in the morning. Yan na. May doyan Astor Dungay, guys. Before, wala pa gini. Mani. Tapos na. Ang ganda. Okay, ngayon ako nagkabalik sa P Park, guys. Hello. Guys, we're done. I'm exercising, walking and jogging. So, here's my son. Oh. Yan. Tapos na kaming nag-exercise, guys. So, we're going home na. But, mag-eat man daw sila of Jollibee or McDonald's pancake. So, kapit sa guys. So, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye. Bye, guys. Wala i-make ako mga Bye.